Let's see where we're at. Lena Grossa melon weight. Okay. I have never used their yarn before. They're beautiful. The colors. I love the colors too. But I feel like you're gonna have them. I think you're gonna have a new pair of socks by the end of the year. Unless you're super busy tomorrow and Tuesday. You're gonna have another completed project before the year ends. All right. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They were on sale. They came in 2 50-gram skeins. Okay. Oh, nice. I'm just trying to figure out the beginning of my row. I don't think this is it. Oh, no, wait a minute. This might be the first. First of my repeat. Updated the list. 85 finished this year. Oh, congrats, Jody. Nice. So what, it's just all the projects in general that you've worked on? Does that include like diamond painting and... That is a lot. It is a lot. That is a whole lot. Like I have not counted my projects. Can I count my work? My work jobs? All right, I think this is row 1. Pretty sure. Okay, very cool. Yeah, that is a lot, Jody. Congrats. And the book nook. People yelled at me to add it. Okay. No, I mean, that's fine. So, I don't know if you guys heard that. And Casper. What's up, jamming out? We can tell. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. I heard it quite loud and clear. All right, it went through my sweater here. All right, let's... I think we have officially hit Casmer's punch drunk stage of sleepiness.